The governor of Anambra State, Charlie Soludo, don't come out talk say the investment where Peter Obi saying do in Soludo no see anything. Make una watch this video first. Hear wetin Soludo talk about Peter Obi and in investment for Anambra State. You guys watch. We'll come back. We'll talk about it.
Interviews about my 2023 budget. I'm not talking about the investments of either any of my predecessors. By the way, the one that you talk about, I don't know about that. I mean, I think there was something I read about, somebody speculated about the value of whatever investment. What I've seen today, the value of those investments is what next to nothing.
Come on. Like this Soludo know the hear word. And a prof. When I shot saying I read professor, I've been a pro, then the professor don't come out. First of all, who will you blame if you don't see money or investment for account of Anambra State when you become governor? Number one, Peter Obi, no hand over to you. Your friend, Willie Obiano, hand over to you. There's a written document, proof that Peter actually left money in the account of Anambra State for Willie Obiano. There's also proof that the mentioned brewery company was opened and established in Anambra State. So, if you don't see money as governor, who you go hold? Now Peter Obi or now Willie Obiano where Peter Obi hand over to? We hand over to you. Charlie, you are a prof. Think as a prof. Willie Obiano, now him be the person where you go question if you don't see money where Peter leave for account. Because Peter get written document where proof say he actually leave money for account when he hand over to Willie Obiano. Willie now brought you to Abga and handed over to you as governor of Anambra State. Now, ask Willie Obiano, where is the money that Peter Obi handed over to you? Like Peter Obi will always say, and I quote, I left money in Anambra State. It is there. Go and verify. Charlie, my governor, Your Excellency, Soludo, please, it's simple. Go and verify.